And now it's time for a Splatsclusive!
My name is Alex Nance. I am the owner and lead host for Splat Attack Podcast. The podcast started as a passion project between myself and my friend Brett Wilson that is all about 90s nostalgia with a special focus on Nickelodeon. After our team meeting, planning out episodes, guests, and marketing strategies for our upcoming season, I will spend time tracking down guests. Many of them are other content creators that are happy to join us, and others are of some of the cast and crew from the shows that we loved. Now, tracking these people down and winning them over to join us for an interview is definitely a trick. Once I know who my guests are, I confirm it in one of our many online documents that the team shares, and one of my writers will write out the episode. I will record the episode and send the raw footage to my team so they can create reels and shorts for our socials, while I take the footage and I begin to shape it up in a nice, easy flow for our episodes. For every 10 minutes of footage that you see on YouTube is roughly 1 to 2 hours of editing time for me. Once it's done, I post it on YouTube and Podbean. I get all the technical info to read the correct way, and then I schedule it for public release. As soon as that's done, I repeat the process again for our episodes exclusively on Patreon. Then I repeat it for the public, and then I repeat it for Patreon. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Doing this show and maintaining it is a daily grind. But if I didn't love doing it, if I didn't love the show, didn't love the people that I work with, and didn't love the opportunity to meet some of these people, and didn't love the people that listen to and support the show, I wouldn't be doing it. So here's to another season of Splattastic Adventures.